All right, here we are. I had to make a floor grate thing. I don't know. I was trying the new welder out, so I had to build this thing to go down in that hole right there. So we're gonna see what's up. I'm gonna put you right down like this, kind of at an angle. And I'm gonna grab this. Oh, it's so heavy. I hope we can fit. Oh my God. And then I did that. Oh, sorry. Oh. So anyways, just a bunch of scrap steel. And I wrote 510 North Sheridan. So hopefully the guys at the, because they stole that one, used to be over here. So hopefully the guys at the scrap yard won't take this one. I know, I was trying my new welder out. Some of these are good, and some are not so good. But I was trying all sorts of settings, probably should have been, but for the most part it did okay. We got water, and it goes in the thing. That's what we're after.